Pipedrive versus Trello. Which one is better? Are you choosing between Pipedrive and Trello in 2025? Let's compare these tools to help you decide which fits your needs best. Pipedrive is a CRM platform designed for sales teams. It offers features like lead and deal tracking, email integration, and sales forecasting. Its visual pipeline helps manage sales processes efficiently. However, it lacks a free plan and its project management capabilities are limited, primarily serving sales-focused tasks. Trello. Trello is a project management tool utilizing Kanban boards. It's user-friendly and offers a free plan, making it accessible for various teams. While it's excellent for task management and collaboration, it doesn't have built-in CRM features, requiring third-party integrations for sales tracking. So as a comparison, for CRM capabilities, Pipedrive excels with built-in CRM tools, and Trello lacks native CRM features. For project management, Trello offers robust project management features, and Pipedrive's project management is limited and sales-centric. For pricing, Trello provides a free plan and Pipedrive doesn't. For integrations, Pipedrive supports over 400 integrations and Trello has around 190. So in summary, choose Pipedrive for comprehensive sales management and Trello for versatile project management. And thanks for watching.